পেঁপে 18 টাকা এসেছে।
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर डे इन माय लाइफ वीकली व्लॉग। मुझे नहीं पता क्या बन रहा है, बट कुछ तो बन रहा है। एंड टुडे वी विल शो यू अगेन अ वेरी हेक्टिक डे एट शूट। आई डोंट नो अगर आपको सुनाई दे रहा है या नहीं, but I forgot to do the intro, so here's the intro and now you see what we did the whole day. And this is our last stop right now.
Yes.
And let's see. So back with another shoot day and आज हम shoot कर रहे हैं प्रेस्टीज के लिए. Our first dish is this अंडा तड़का and hello again.
हेलो
मैंने वो vlog अभी तक edit नहीं किया, इतना बड़ा वीडियो है.
कांग्रेचुलेशन।
रिएक्शन थोड़ा जल्दी देना था।
And now we are trying some lassi. Very excited to try the lassi. Very thick lassi we have here. Yum. Can't wait to dig in. Shoot कैसा जा रहा है ऐसा?
Faintest feeling. Ritika Di is having a faintest feeling.
So I am sure even you do. It's a very weird weather. There's no
Very weird.
breeze.
Very bad weather.
We are done with the shoot.
A few moments later.
So that is Ritika Di, and this is the third location of the day, Lokhi Narayan Shao and Sons. So that's Ritika Di, that's Sahadri over there, and they are waiting for the perfect shot. She's done.
Yeah, it's risky sometimes, but I like it.
What time is it? It's
4:20.
4:30. We started at 12.
It's not raining. Why the fuck is it?
18
1980.
and 2021 तक. It's कतो years?
2021 कब कैसे हो सकता है?
हाँ.
अभी तो 25
चल रहा है.
ऐसे ही लिखा है.
So it's
कब का कोड बनाया होगा?
100 and कितना years?
Weirdly, it's my first time here.
Yes.
Baligan Chhaba first time, Golbadi first time, and even this one first time.
First time.
So funny.
So funny.
I love Baligan Chhaba, Golbadi. Okay. I think it's the space. वहाँ पे बैठने की जगह नहीं, इसलिए ज़्यादा मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था. But this seems nice. I like it.
Yes.
Last but not the least, Lakshmi Narayan Shore and Sons, which was established in 1918 and is known for their irresistible Tere Bhasha. A true classic is Narayan Shore and Sons, which was established in 1918 and is known for their irresistible Tere Bhasha. A true classic with no equal. We are almost done with the shoot. Now we are ordering some food.
अगले की को
Cheese chop.
चीज चॉप।
चीज ऊज आउट होगा क्या?
हाँ हाँ।
सब फ्रेश बनते हैं यहाँ पे every
इधर
day.
जो भी नंबर पे टाइम।
I like this place. I have been here quite a few times.
This is my first time and I am very intrigued with the mango chop.
It's
कच्चा आम है या पका आम है?
पका आम है.
What?
But it tastes like soury inside, but it's
कच्चा
sweet.
आम है.
हाँ,
Oh, we
कच्चा
got
आम
the
only.
food.
He is bringing plate.
Oh, he's
Okay.
bringing a plate.
Oh, let's say food and food. Which is mango chop?
Did I ever? This is mango chop, I guess.
मैंगो चॉप इकाने।
This is mango chop.
Really nice, yeah. This is Pudina Secondary. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers. I don't have a reaction.
One eternity later.
I'm back at a new restaurant. It's called Yarana Supper Club, which is in city center Salt Lake. And let me take you and show you around the restaurant.
A few moments later.
So hi, this is Vedant from CGM, and I have taken over the vlogging part for today. And here Ritika is vlogging, here Sadri.
Hello, BTS.
Yes.
ये देखो ये रियल ड्रिंक बचा नहीं है बिकॉज इसमें एटलीस्ट 7 to 8 आइस क्यूब्स होंगे और
Minimum.
melted. So this is like lemon water.
Tastes good.
But we should show them the view.
View, yes. The
Very
view.
beautiful.
The view.
Be careful.
Day 4.
So that is Fabrica in city center and it's our favorite Italian place. Let's go.
Day 4.
Hey guys, so eventually weekly vlog ही बन रहा है because I didn't do like there was not a lot to show this week, but yeah, I'm meeting my friend and we're going to a new restaurant in Forum Mall. I'm already waiting for my cab and let's go. So हम मैंगो कुल्फी खोज रहे थे और खोजते खोजते हम आ गए हैं मेरे स्कूल और मेरी फ्रेंड का कॉलेज. Let me know in the comments अगर आप भी शिक्षा यतन से आपने स्कूलिंग करी है या फिर कॉलेज करी है. I legit studied from KG till class 12 here.
A few moments later.
So we are here at Marks and Spencer's. Say hi. देखते हैं क्या है. I like this shirt, but I like this top, but बहुत see through हो जाएगा या बहुत ही bodycon. Do you like anything? So what did you buy?
I got this.
This is the rose. ये cream है.
No, this is bath cream. Like
Oh.
this is the
Okay. This is like a shower gel basically.
yeah,
Smells really nice. चलो. Finally हम जा रहे हैं Mezuna. जो you know they have changed their name. So let's see what we eat. Let's go. And this is the new restaurant that I was talking to you guys. It's called Siciliana by Mezuna. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. And it's an Italian restaurant and we tried pizza, which was really nice. We had aglio olio and we also got a complimentary dessert. I think they were doing because it was fairly new. And yes, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you next time. And also don't forget to remember that I always show, and I think everybody on the internet shows the best part of their day, so do not compare, because while editing even I feel like okay, like everything looks so nice and everything is so rosy, but it isn't. And I also have an Instagram page which is basically a very food dedicated Kolkata based account. If you like watching such videos, you can definitely follow me on Instagram as well. So yeah, thank you, bye bye.